What's up YouTube? It's Eric Kelly, aka The Tech Gentleman, bringing you guys another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Pixel 6a, but before we get going I want to give a huge shout out to Made by Google and Team Pixel for sending this out to me for review. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if you got any comments or questions, make sure you leave me in the comment section below. I'll make sure to get back to you. But without further ado, let's talk tech. Alright guys, the Google Pixel 6a. This is the smallest brother in the trio of devices in the Pixel 6 lineup. Got the 6 Pro, 6, and now you have the 6a. This is going to be Google's attempt at a budget offering. But let's see what they got. So you got the easy little pull tabs on both sides. Quality packaging. Alright. Flip it. And this is the Stormy Black version, all right? So the benefit of getting the Stormy Black version, the black side rails. So any kind of little decoration I wanna do, it'll always match because you got the nice black side rails. Black goes with everything, all right? But let's set this to the side right quick, see what else is in the box. So we have our USB-A to USB Type-C connector here, or adapter. And you also have a Type-C to Type-C cable in the box. I'm not gonna pull it out, leave it in there. And also you got a little bit of verbiage, Pixel 6a, Google Tensor, all right? Obviously there's no Tensor in here. You just got your little SIM ejection tool and this little box with your little papers, all right? So no Tensor chip in the box. All right, set this to the side. All right, so on the front of the device, you got a couple of little indicators here. So you got a little SIM tray icon here, and you also have power, volume up, volume down, and fingerprint sensor. All right. All right, so this is super pixely. Go ahead and power it on. And what do I mean by that? I mean that the device feels light in the hand. But this one has the benefit of the flat front, so no curved glass like the 6 Pro. Let me try this again. All right, there we go. All right, so for this one, kind of a key highlight is symmetrical bezel all the way around. Also, you have a hole punch camera up front. And this is gonna be a 60 Hertz display. So it has the latest Tensor processor in it. So it should have great performance, but as far as visuals, going to be definitely limited by this 60 Hertz display. All right, while it's powered on, take a look at the back. We have a dual camera system in the back. I believe they're dual 12 megapixel cameras for a main and a wide. And you also have your flash over here to the right, and you also have Google logo right there. And so this is something that's pretty cool. If you see this animation here, you get like a little haptic vibration. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy started and start my review, guys. But out the gate for $499, Pixel 6a is definitely going to be a contender with the Pixel's camera prowess, and you have a flagship processor in there on the inside as well. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted. Till next time, I'll talk to you. Peace.